ang ating mga kababayan po, sa lahat ng pupuntahan po nilang ospital, wala po silang babayaran the moment they were admitted. As long as they are seen from the ER sa ER to the until they were admitted, until discharge po. As long as all the things are available in the hospital, kaya ng facility po, then wala po silang babayaran.
Kailangan po ba enrolled sa PhilHealth? O paano po yun?
Ideally, they should be enrolled sa PhilHealth. Pero pag wala po silang PhilHealth, pwede na rin po silang ma-enroll sa PhilHealth pag nasa loob na po sila ng ospital.
Ano yung requirements po?
Ang mga requirements, birth certificate po kapag ka minor, below 18 years old. Pero kapag ka po sila ay mother, they just have to bring their valid ID. Kasi the valid ID kasi nandun na po yung kanilang birthday.
Pero kailangan nasa charity ward lang sila.
Yes po, opo. Dapat po nandun sila kaya po sinabi natin basic accommodation, ibig sabihin po, doon po sila sa ward po sila. Required rin naman talaga po yun. In every government hospital, 90% lang po talaga doon yung ward or yung basic accommodation. And then yung 10% po, pwede naman po talagang mabigyan sila ng private room. DOH na po ang nagsasabi din naman yan because this is also to give chance for the patients to have a choice kasi if they really, diba, we should also be equitable din. Kung kaya naman, why not po?
Pero magagamit po nila yung package naman ng PhilHealth kahit sa pay ward ng iba.
Yes po. Pag sa pay ward po kasi sometimes there's an extra charge because they have to pay for the room. So parang yun po yung they have to pay an extra charge. At alam po nila yon because the moment na nagsabi po sila that they want to be in a private room, they have to pay, they have to sign a waiver. So alam po nila, they were informed, kaya po alam nila their responsibility. So once you're in the pay room, there will be a shared responsibility between the client or between the patient and the hospital. If you really want to get efficient care talaga po in every hospital, it should only be 80%. That is by the book. It should only be 80% of your existing authorized bed capacity. Pero po, dahil naman sa kakulangan din po talaga natin ng bed po dito sa Pangasinan dahil napakadami talaga ng population natin, hindi po natin maiiwasan na talagang masyado po talagang madaming pasyente, especially this time of the year. So, ang mga pasyente po, we do not have a choice but sometimes to put them in some areas dahil wala nang available bed. But before we do that, we always make sure to show them the place. Diba? So if they agree, sometimes we let them sign. They agree talaga to be there.